The rumors surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series are heating up, especially after the reveal of Apple's iPhone 15. One rumor that has caught everyone's attention is the claim that the Samsung Galaxy S24 will be the first AI iPhone. This speculation stems from Samsung's recent trademark applications for phrases such as AI phone and AI smartphone in the EU and UK. In this video, we will delve into all the rumors and leaks surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra phones. Samsung Galaxy S24 design. According to leaks and rumors, the design of the Samsung Galaxy S24 will not see any major changes compared to its predecessor. Renders of the entry-level Galaxy S24, shared by it on leaks in collaboration with SmartPre, reveal a squared-off design with a bumpless camera module and a trio of lenses. However, SmartPre suggests that the Galaxy S24 will be slightly taller and slimmer than the S23. On the other hand, Ice Universe claims that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will undergo more significant design tweaks, including a shift from curved screen aesthetics to a flat panel look. Another leak from @OnLeaks indicates that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature slimmer bezels compared to its predecessor, making it one of the narrowest bezels on any smartphone. Additionally, there are rumors that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra may be made of titanium, departing from the Ultra's traditional armor aluminum frame. While these changes in design and materials are yet to be confirmed, they suggest that Samsung is looking to refine and improve the overall aesthetics of the Galaxy S24 lineup. Samsung Galaxy S24 display. According to Ice Universe, a reputable leaker, the display size of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, the mid-tier model, will see a negligible increase compared to its predecessor. The current Galaxy S23 Plus features a 6.6-inch display, and the rumored Galaxy S24 Plus will have a slightly larger 6.65-inch screen. As for the other models, the Galaxy S24 is expected to have a 6.1-inch display, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra will retain its 6.8-inch screen size. In terms of resolution, Ice Universe suggests that the gap between the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra will narrow, with both models potentially featuring a better quality WQHD+ resolution. Currently, all three Galaxy S23 models have a 120Hz refresh rate display. However, only the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a variable refresh rate, ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, while the lower-tier models have a dynamic refresh rate between 48 Hz and 120 Hz. It is rumored that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will adopt an LTPO, low-temperature polycrystalline oxide, panel, similar to the Ultra model, allowing for a smooth transition between 1 Hz and 120 Hz refresh rates. Additionally, there are speculations that the Galaxy S24 Ultra may receive a brightness bump to 200 nits, an improvement over its predecessor's 750 nits. Samsung Galaxy S24 cameras. The camera setup of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series has been a subject of conflicting reports and rumors. Initially, Ice Universe claimed to have secured the camera specifications for the Ultra model from Korean sources. However, 2 months later, Ice Universe changed their stance and suggested that the Ultra model will feature 2 telephoto options: a 50MP camera with 5x optical zoom and a 10MP lens with 3x optical zoom. This change would replace the current Ultra model's 2 10MP telephoto cameras, one with 10x zoom and another with 3x zoom. Although the optical range would be shorter before digital zoom software kicks in, the picture quality is expected to be crisper and sharper. As for the other models in the Galaxy S24 lineup, there is limited information available. If the previous generations are any indication, we can expect the lower-tier models to feature a 50MP wide camera, a 10MP 3x telephoto camera, and a 12MP ultra-wide shooter with a 120-degree field of view. Samsung Galaxy S24 price. While there haven't been many leaks about the Samsung Galaxy S24's pricing, there has been speculation about the future of the Plus model in Samsung's lineup. According to the LEC, Samsung has been considering removing the Plus model due to buyers' tendency to opt for either the cheapest or the most premium model, neglecting the mid-tier variant. However, there are conflicting rumors about this decision, with leaker at tech_rev claiming that these rumors are confused. Considering the lack of concrete information, it is unlikely that Samsung will discontinue the Plus model with the Galaxy S24 lineup. As for the pricing, there isn't much information available at the moment, suggesting that there may not be a significant price hike compared to the previous generations. The starting prices of the last 3 generations have remained consistent, with the Galaxy S21, S22, and S23 all starting at $799, $999, and $1,199 respectively. It remains to be seen if Samsung will adjust the pricing for the Galaxy S24, but we can expect it to be in a similar range. Samsung Galaxy S24 release date. According to a confirmation from popular leaker Max Jamber, the Samsung Galaxy S24 is rumored to be released on January 17th. In the past, Samsung has typically released the Galaxy S series in January or February. The rumored January release aligns with a report from the ELEC, which suggests that Samsung plans to choose an earlier release date for the Galaxy S24 series, possibly pushing it back by 1 month. If these rumors hold true, we can expect to see the next generation flagship phones in January 2024. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra specs and new features. According to reports, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will power the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. The new chipset is expected to feature a GPU that is 50% faster than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 found in the Galaxy S23 lineup. This improvement in graphics performance could potentially surpass the A17 Pro GPU inside the iPhone 15 Pro models, but further comparisons will be required to confirm this. In terms of storage and RAM, it is rumored that the entire Galaxy S24 line will start with 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM. This suggests that users will have a sizable amount of storage without the need for additional purchases. The Ultra model may offer a variant with 1TB of storage and 16GB of RAM, catering to users who require even more storage capacity. Finally, Samsung may introduce satellite connectivity to the Galaxy S24 line, taking inspiration from Apple's recent inclusion of this feature in the iPhone 15 series. This addition could provide users with enhanced connectivity options, particularly in remote areas or during emergencies. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series promises to be an exciting lineup of flagship smartphones. With rumors of AI capabilities, refined design, improved displays, and enhanced camera features, Samsung is aiming to deliver a cutting-edge experience for its users. While we await the official announcement and confirmation of these rumors, the Samsung Galaxy S24 is already generating a buzz in the tech community. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the rumored release date in January 2024. Click here to watch Android 14 update. Is your phone on the list? If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.